The Tyco facility, it's a former manufacturing site. It operated from 1949 to about 2009. They manufactured electronic connectors. In about 2009, when they shut down, shortly thereafter, or around the same time, two other large manufacturing sites in the same part of Carlisle all shut down. So in a relatively short amount of time, this part of Carlisle saw significant job loss and really a major gap in the local economy. The real danger of these former kind of brownfield large employers shutting down is not just the immediate loss of jobs and the economic impacts, but it's also about the fear that the building or the facility will sit for a long period of time and will deteriorate. And a lot of that is due to the challenges of redeveloping these types of brownfield properties. Our group, the Real Estate Collaborative, we were really created to tackle just these kind of projects, ones that we saw, true economic and community development value, but which had these challenges. So our group got involved in 2018 when we purchased the property with the mission of taking this, former, large contributor to the local economy and creating a new positive asset for the community. Right now, we're in the process of demolition. Prior to us acquiring the site, it went through initial DEP Act 2 environmental clearance up to a non-residential standard. Due to the former industrial use on the site, there is a restriction that it can't be a residential property. But moving forward, as we develop it, we'll remain in compliance with that. And the goal is to finish demolition in around the end of May, to concurrently go through our permitting process. We're currently marketing the site for future tenants and users. And that will really define our final timeline for what is the actual development concept, specific site plan, and when we'll come to completion. But the long-term goal is, when we see this through, is for a mixed-use development, some combination of commercial and office, and possibly restaurant or retail as well.